Okay, so in counting from 100 on forward, start with 101 because 1 is the first number, and then after that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10 again. Since 100 is a 3-digit number, 110 is also a 3-digit number. But instead of 100, we have 110. Before we get there, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 8, 9, and 110. So, can you guess what number is next? It would be 11, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, and 120. Continuing, it would be after 20. You remember the number after 20? It was 21. So it will still be 100, but 121. 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129. After the number 29, it was 30. So 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. See, after every 10, 110, 120, 130, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149. What number's after 49? It's 50, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, after 59, 60, so it's 160. Okay, so we're gonna use more space here. You see the pattern, 161, 162, 163, 4, 5, 6, 7, 168, 169. After the number 69 is 70, so that's 170. The 10th number starts the new pattern. So we're at 70. So now everything is 70 something. Okay. So 100, because we're not on the teens anymore, we're on the 100s. So 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, and 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189. After 89 is 90, so it's 190. 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199. After 99 was 100. We're not going to write 100 again. We're going to write the next number. 200 will be the start of the next pattern. Okay? So we counted all the way up to 200. And then after 200, it's 201 more. 202, 203, 204. So it goes on and on. 204, 5, 6, 7, 8, 209. It will be 10, 210. 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 200, keep writing 1, 218, 219. After 19 is 20, 220. So now we're back at 10, 20, every 10 number. So that it will end at 230, the next line. So after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 227, 228, 229, 230, 231, 32, 233, 34, 35, 6, 7, 8. When you get to 239, it's 240. 241, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 250. 251, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 260. Okay. Okay, so our patterns here. 231. After 232, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 239 will be, after 39 is 240. And then 241, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 249, 250. 251, 52, 53, 54, 255, 56, 57, 58, 259 is 260. After 59 is 60. 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 269 is 200, then 270. 271, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 278, 279 would be, next number is 280. After 281, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 289, 290, 291, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 299. After 99 is 100. So after 100, 200, it will be 300. Then you start over. 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, so on and so on, until you get to 310, and then 311, 312, 313, 314, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 320. So you would keep going until you get to 310, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 391, 92, 93, 94, 395, 96, 97, 398, 399. After 3 is 4, so 400. Now we're in the hundreds, 100, 200, 300, and 400. 500, 600, 700, all go the same way. 800, 900. How about we start from 900 and work our way up to 1,000? Okay, so going up to 1,000 from 900 would be 901, 902, 903, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 909, 910, 911, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 917, 918, 19, and 20. After 20s is 21, 22, 23, 24, 925, 926, 927, 928, 929, 930, 931, 32, 33, 934, 935, 936, 937, 938, 939, 940. 941, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 949, 950, 951, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 959, 960, 961, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 969, 970. 971, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 979, 980, we're getting there, 981, 982, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 989, 990, and then 991, 992, 993, 994, 995, 996, 997, 998, 999, 1,000. So it's 10, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. So it's 1, 0, 0, because after 9 is 10, but we add a 0 for 100, and we add an extra 0 to make it what we call 1,000. So it's 10, 100, 1,000.